Have you ever wanted to use custom values within your WordPress sites inside of HighLevel? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can use these custom values inside of the lead connector plugin within our WordPress site inside of HighLevel. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now we're going to do this from the WordPress admin page. So if you don't know how to get there, just go to Sites, WordPress, and then manage your website. And then in order to get to the admin page, just click WP admin right here. Now, if you haven't added the lead connector plugin yet, you can go back into your WordPress site and you'll see this section on the left-hand side and it will say not connected. You can just click connect there, log into your HighLevel account, and then get the two connected. Now, once it is connected, then you'll see the plugin in your WordPress site. So you will automatically get all of these custom keys here. And if you want to copy the short code, you can just click copy on the right-hand side and then utilize this inside of your WordPress site. So a great use of this is, for example, we have a leads captured number as a custom value in our website. We have an automation that adds to this number every time we get a new lead to show our performance as an agency. And if you want to use this on your site, you can simply copy that, go back into your WordPress account inside of HighLevel. And if you want to add some of these custom values on your site itself, we can just open up our WordPress URL here, and then we will click edit page, and then we can throw in these custom values. So you'll see now we're in our editor. If we want to throw this custom value in here, we can paste it just like that, and it will pull in our custom value from HighLevel from the WordPress integration, and it will throw it right onto our WordPress site. If you have any questions about using custom values within WordPress, feel free to check out the rest of the help doc or leave a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.